Hello guys, so Docs listing has just been confirmed, right? OKS tweeted about their listing on the 20th of August 2024. As of the spot trading will begin at exactly 12 p.m. That's UTC. For Nigerians, that's going to be 1 p.m. 1 p.m. Nigerian time. And Dog already retweeted it to their page. And we are expecting that other exchanges like Bybit and so on will start to drop updates of the same listing, right? So now this is what you need to pay attention to. For the claiming, there's no official announcement about the claiming yet, but it's going to happen any moment, right? It's going to happen any moment. We can't tell if we are going to claim using a gas fee, or they are going to use Notcoin strategy where Notcoin sent everything out without we paying gas fee. So you need to be prepared. If there's need to gas fee, you need to just get Tone to your Tone Keeper wallet or any Tone blockchain wallet you use so that you can claim it directly there. And if they are going to allow claiming directly to exchange, we can't really tell until there's an update about that before we can tell. And I'll definitely do a video once there's an update about claiming. Right now, so it is confirmed that Dogs is going to list. I don't know how many dogs you have. I don't know how many points you have that will, once they list, you're going to make something out of it. But then I want to encourage you with this very project. Now, any project that will pay you, right, will not really stress you. Yeah, a project that will pay you can stress you, but not. But let's just have it. Any project that will pay you will not really stress you, because if you consider the likes of Pixavers, the likes of Hamster, what they are doing, the likes of TapSwap, with a huge crowd, with the different patterns, the different strategies, the different stress, watching videos, doing different tasks, and up till now, nothing is happening. Dogs just came. Dogs never stressed us, but then some of you never took it serious. Some of you never took it serious. So please try as much as possible to take projects seriously so that anyone that pays you covers the time and stress and the energy you invested into those past projects, right? So we hope Dogs will list well and will make so much out of it, right? I hope you've accumulated a lot. If you do, let me know in the comment section. And if you need any assistance, ensure to drop a message on the comment section. If there's a video you need me to do regarding dog listing or whatever, just drop a comment under the description, under the video, so that I will attend to that. Right? Once the claiming is up and we are ready to list on 20th. I'll definitely do a video on how to list, claim, and also sell and convert USDT or to cash and withdraw to your bank account. I'll definitely do a video about that. So ensure you click on the notification bell so that once I drop the video, you'll be notified, and other videos, other valuable videos will be notified so that you can use them productively. And also, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment as usual, so that the algorithm will take it to more people and more people get to see it and benefit from the video. And if you want to join my community, my WhatsApp community, where you can get assistance, updates, support with respect to this airdrop, mining, farming, claiming, listing, withdrawing, and so on, ensure to check the description of this video. There's a link to my WhatsApp community. Click on it and join us there so that we'll help ourselves out.